morning, everybody. I can't talk. So, here we are doing a video lesson. We are working on dilations. Now, a dilation either enlarges something or shrinks it. Do you guys see like all these Starbucks cups are all like the same, but there's different sizes? That's a dilation. So, a dilation is a transformation that either enlarges or reduces the size of an original figure. In order to dilate, you multiply by the scale factor. So we're going to do our dilations on the coordinate plane. So that means we have to multiply the x and y values of each ordered pair by the scale factor. Okay. So if our scale factor is bigger, 1, it enlarges. Oh boy. If our scale factor is less than 1, it reduces. When a dilation has occurred on the coordinate plane, you can find the scale factor by choosing corresponding sides or vertices and set up a ratio. So you either put the new over the original or the image over the pre-image. Okay. So let's see what we can do here, folks. So if we have a scale factor of 0.05, is that going to enlarge or reduce? It's going to reduce it, right? If our scale factor is 3.2, it's going to enlarge it. It's bigger than 1. 1.4 is bigger than 1, right? So it's going to enlarge it. Now what about 5/6? Now 5/6 is less than 1, right? Because if it was bigger than 1, our top number would have to be bigger than 6. So it's a reduction. Okay, let's see what we can do here. So it says graph and label each figure and its image under the dilation with the given scale factor. Assume the origin is used as the center of dilation. Okay, so step 1 is we have to figure out what our original ordered pairs are. So I'm gonna So where is Q at? Q is at over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1, 6. Let's change that to its color. Okay. 1, 6. And S is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And R is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3. So now all we have to do is multiply our ordered pairs by our scale factor of 2. So all we have to do is multiply. So it's like you could put 2 here and multiply 2 times 1 and get 2. 2 times 6 and get 12. Put a 2 out front. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. And now we just plot them. So Q should be at 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's Q. 8, 4. Oh, this should really be S, you guys. I'm sorry. That's all right. And R should be at 14, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's R. And now we can connect them. So do you see how it got bigger? All right, let's try another one. So our scale factor is 1/5, so it's going to be a reduction. It should be smaller. So let's go through and find our ordered pairs. So C is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 15, negative 5. D is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative 10, 0. E is at 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And F is at negative 5, negative 15. So now we need to divide everything by 5 in order to reduce it. Okay, so what's negative 15 divided by 5? Negative 3. Negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. And negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. So now we can graph these. So hopefully your figure looks something like this, a very small rectangle. You guys can connect them. And there you go. Okay. So same thing here. But since these are kind of weird numbers, I would get this as a fraction. So this would be, 3.5. Which means it's an enlargement. And for the sake of my voice, we're going to skip this one. So you guys go through and find your ordered pairs and multiply them by 3.5 to graph this one. So if I look here, here's my new, here's my old. So let's do our x coordinate. So I'm going to have 6 over 9. And then you reduce it. What goes into 6 and 9? 3 dash, so it should be 2 over 3. Okay, same thing here. Here's your new, here's your old. Now let's do the y coordinates. 18 and 15. So 3 goes into both of those. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. And a negative over negative becomes positive. So 6 over 5. And then our last one, new over old. Let's do our x coordinates. So negative 9 over negative 1 really is 9. That's our answer. Okay, one last one. So decide if it's an enlargement or reduction, and then identify the scale factor. So clearly, we're getting bigger, right? This is our old, here's our new, and it got bigger, so we'd say enlargement. And now our scale factor, let's find it. So S is at 2, 3. And S prime is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6, 8. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So 6, 9. So again, we're going to do what we did on the last example. 6 over 2 equals 3. Okay, let's do another one. Here's our old. Here's our new. So it's getting smaller, so it's a reduction. Let's find the coordinates of F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh boy, you guys, I'm sorry. My brain's not working very well. And then F prime. 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now our scale factor. Let's put negative 5 over negative 2. That just equals 5 over 2. Oh shoot, other way. Flip it, you guys, I'm so sorry. Negative 2 over negative 5 equals 2 over 5. Okay. Try your very best on the worksheet in your packet on dilations. It should look like this. We'll go over it together on Monday. So I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Make good choices. Be good people. Goodbye.